Hey everyone, it's Matt here with WeBoost. Today, I'm gonna show you some of my favorite gear and technology that I use on the road that I think will be helpful for you and your RV. One of the biggest problems we have on the road is not having reliable Wi-Fi or cellular data. To fix that, we have this Cradlepoint. This Cradlepoint Wi-Fi router actually takes cell phone data and brings Wi-Fi throughout your RV. Having this Wi-Fi router has been essential for us to work from the road and stay connected. WeBoost makes a couple of products for your RV. What they do is they take weak signal from outside your RV, brings it inside, amplifies it, and makes the cell phone signal inside of your RV that much better. WeBoost has a couple of options for your RV. One option is a Connect RV 65. This has a 25-foot telescoping pole attached to your RV on the outside. This is ideal for someone that's looking to stay stationary for a few days. Another option for you is the Drive 4GX RV. This is a booster that amplifies your cell phone signal no matter if you're stationary or on the road. We all rely on a variety of products to stay connected, whether it's a cell phone signal booster, a Wi-Fi router, or simply charging your devices. Something I like to use to keep my devices powered is a Venture 30 by GoalZero. This is a small, lightweight battery bank that I could put in my pocket, put in my backpack, or charge whenever I need to. A huge benefit to this GoalZero product is you could actually hook it up to GoalZero solar panels. So if you don't have power, you don't have a hookup, you could simply plug this into the solar panels outside, leave it in the sun, and you're gonna charge this battery bank, which will then keep your devices charged and connected. Another fun gadget for your RV is this Garmin dash cam. What's really cool about this dash cam is it has a magnetic mount that can mount right to the front of your dashboard. You could set this up to take photos, videos, or even time lapses of your trip. What's interesting about this dash cam is that Garmin was able to leverage its technology and GPS coordination and put it into their camera. So while you're taking a time-lapse video of your road trip, there's actually GPS coordinates and speed that could indicate where and how fast you were going on the road. A fun gadget that I always have in my bag and I bring on the road is this DJI Mavic Pro. This is a small, lightweight drone that folds up to about the size of a Nalgene bottle, even a little bit smaller. It shoots 4K video, still photos, and is super easy to fly. So it's a great little product that you could fold up, put in your backpack, take on the road, and even get some drone footage of your RV or your camper or you guys out having a bunch of fun activities on the road. Another great product to have are Lucy lanterns. These are easy to travel with, super compact, and there's a bonus, they're solar powered. You have the option of getting just white, you could also get multicolors, or they have an option that's solar powered and has USB power so you don't always have to rely on the sun. There are a ton of different devices that you could take on the road with you to help you stay connected and document your adventures. These are just some of my favorite products. If you want to learn more, check out the links in the description. Thanks for watching.